The Credit Pros Credit Repair Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the Credit Pros and related credit repair resources are included in the description below. The Credit Pros is a professional credit repair service designed for individuals who want a more hands-on, expert-driven approach to improving their credit scores. Unlike DIY platforms, the Credit Pros offers a comprehensive suite of services tailored to people with a wide range of credit challenges, from minor errors to more significant credit issues. One of its key features is its personalized approach. Each client is assigned a dedicated credit consultant who works with them to create a customized plan for improving their credit. The Credit Pros handles everything from disputing inaccuracies on credit reports to negotiating with creditors for better terms. Their service also includes a powerful credit monitoring system, which keeps users updated on changes to their credit reports and tracks progress over time. They offer a variety of plans, ranging from basic credit repair to more in-depth services like identity theft protection and credit restoration. A standout strength of the Credit Pros is their commitment to customer support. They provide ongoing consultations throughout the credit repair process, which gives users a more hands-on experience and greater insight into their credit health. Additionally, the company has an excellent track record of removing negative items from credit reports, including late payments, collections, and bankruptcies. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. First, the Credit Pros is more expensive than many DIY platforms, which may make it less appealing for those looking for a budget-friendly solution. Additionally, the success of credit repair depends on the cooperation of creditors and the credit bureaus, meaning results may not be immediate. While their personal support is beneficial, users who prefer a more automated, hands-off approach might find it less convenient. Overall, the Credit Pros offers a top-tier, professional service for people serious about repairing their credit. If you're looking for expert assistance and personalized support, this is a solid option. Check the description for links to the Credit Pros and take control of your credit today.